connecting the pieces. A family, a gallery of corpses, and an unstoppable serial killer. But before he can theorize further, a glowing blue spectral woman manifests out of thin air behind him and Lee. Her voice echoes through the hall, chilling them to the bone as she tells them they've finally arrived. A single blue flame flickers above her head, and her solid white eyes stare back with an eerie, neutral gaze. As she glides forward, stopping just inches from Lin's face, he breaks into a cold sweat. Without a word, she turns and begins to float away, her voice echoing a simple command. Follow me. Despite the danger, Lin is determined to see where she leads. As they walk through the gallery, Lin jokes that as a Taoist priest, Li should be the expert here.